It's 3 degrees. It's too cold. Oh my god. But I've already hiked 30 minutes away from home. Well, I better be cold outside and doing some physical activity than being cold inside the house during lockdown. Much better. I can smell some fresh air, sun on my face, even if it's cold. I just keep going, keep walking, try not to stop so I will not feel how cold it is. There were a woman with her black dog doing some trekking with me on the same trail, and her dog wanted to come to me, or she wanted it to be caressed. I'm not used to have a dog around me. In the Philippines, our dogs are dangerous, they bite us and stuff, but I know that in Europe the dogs are behaved, not dangerous. But I'm recovering this fear. I still don't want, I'm still not ready to. Okay, I know, but maybe not today. Keep walking and at the same time keep listening to some motivational speech.
I see every day people with this mentality.
That's my village down there. There's a small lake over there. Wow, those are thyme, fresh thyme. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh la la. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm gonna get some and make some tea with that tonight.